Hey Tubes Blazer Project. Well, it's April and I hope you guys are all enjoying the freaky ass weather, because it's ruining my schedule for being outside. So today we got to finish 2 trailers up, so let me show you what we're doing. We'll finish one up and get one at least set. Here, got some chain. We're going to link it to the pull bar, or should I say the dump bar. I'm going to be wrapping that with tape. I'm going to be using those for temporary until I can get some clevises, and it'll be done. This will be ready to go out to the property. The flatbed, you can tell it has seen better days. So all the wood's coming off, and I'll show you what we're putting on it. Tear down my other ramp, and boom, we got more wood to use. And trust me, this is more heat treated. It'll work just fine. And let's see what we can get done today, because I plan on putting some extensions on the side, because this will haul logs. Now, as far as tires go for that little monster, I'll be buying new ones. These others are so freaking shot. They're not even worth saving. They may be split rim, but I'll figure something out with the rims. Now you may be wondering, why the hell am I doing this instead of like working on the Blazer? Well, I've got to get these out of the way, because here within the next week, I'm putting the trailer brake control on toolbox. Gonna get those 2 out to the property. Then we are going to go and get the stuff for the building for the Blazer. And trust me, I need the trailer brake controller before I do that. So let's knock these 2 projects out, finish them up, and let's get to work. So let's get to it. Alright, get you off the tripod real quick. Alright, see. Well, roll it solid. So what I'm going to do instead, frick, forgot that's hot, so, ouch. That's gonna burn for a few, but go from there, loop it around, bring it back, and there we go. All I need to do is cut the excess off and that'll stay down solid. So I'm gonna go grab some bolt cutters and finish the project up, and then we'll get started on this monster. So hang tight. Well, it's fully deconstructed. Here's the frame of the thing. Pretty simple what my uncle did for what he did at the time. It's alright. I'm going to be welding some flat stock here along with on the other side. The tongue needs some repair work. This just fell right off. Freaking, it didn't even penetrate. I'm going to re-weld that side too. Get a stronger burn in it. And the base, I almost caught it on fire. But, I mean, it is rotten to the core. So, I'm going to get to work welding, getting some stuff done, grinding and everything. So, sit up on the tripod and let's get to work. nothing's in there. Alright, let's fire up the welder.
Gotta hunt down some metal.
Okay, hit a snag. Let me show you what I mean. Now, if you can see, it's poking over the side a little bit over here. Was over there, but also you see what's over here on both sides. Well, the one side over there, that side's going to be lengthened. Is that I need some more wood, so I'm going to be going out to the property and getting some 2x4s plus some extra metal, which I am short on, and then that project will be done. So that's a whole nother video. Got the dump trailer pushed back here. Let's get this piece of metal put up. Over here. Now, let's finish this video off with what's getting ready to happen. Once that the flatbed is finished, basically some more wood, a couple more pieces of metal, and 2 new tires, it'll finally be able to go out to the property. But we gotta get the trailer brake controller hooked up and toolbox. I've got all that inside the house ready to go and install, so that's a whole nother video. Once that's done, we get the shelter built for the Blazer, and then it's 24/7 on the Blazer on my days off as much as possible. Trust me, I really want to get back on that thing. So, today, I'm still calling it a success. We got one trailer finished, another one deconstructed, down, fixed a few things. Now we ran into stopping spot, getting some other things taken care of, and going from there. That's how projects go. And also how I tend to work is I go in blind sometimes and I come out awesome. Sometimes I go in with a plan and so forth. So it's just how I do it. Because sometimes plans, you make them and they go awry. Sometimes you go in blind and it goes perfect. I mean, it's a give and take of everything. So that's that for this video, unfortunately. I'd like to get some more work done, but daylight's fading. Dinner's going to be done here pretty soon, and I will also got to cook some food for myself for lunches at work. So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out for now. Follow me on Facebook, like, subscribe, comment, and catch you in the next one.